Welcome to our channel. Canceling your Audible subscription is a straightforward process when done correctly. Follow these steps to ensure your membership is properly terminated. Step 1. Visit the Audible website and sign into your account using your Amazon credentials. Step 2. Hover over your name in the upper right corner and click on Account Details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the Membership Details section where you can view your current subscription status and benefits. Step 4. Click on Cancel Membership at the bottom of the Membership Details section. Step 5. Audible will present retention offers such as discounted membership rates or pausing your subscription. Review these if interested. Step 6. If you still want to cancel, continue clicking through the cancellation process by selecting the appropriate option. Step 7. Confirm your cancellation by clicking the Final Cancellation button. Your membership will end at the end of your current billing cycle. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Audible. You can still listen to books in your library even after canceling your subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.